everyone, I'm here to present my Cisco Packet Tracer project. So, in this project, it's a sample layout of every department of Isabela State University Kawayan campus and some um, buildings. So, we have the guardhouse and the admin building, some departments. We have the CBM, Edu, CCJE, Polytechnic, CSICT, and SAS, and Agri. So as you can see, some buildings too like library, guardhouse, the admin, food court, food lab, and hostel. So, hindi ko na masyadong sasabihin yung mga complicated things, but I will explain na lang kung paano ito gumagana. So, each department, they communicate to each other. So, in a specific department lang. But they can communicate to other departments. Yan. So, as you can see, let's give an example here. The head of building. Yan. As you can see, so, it successfully sent a message. So, I give you once again an example here. Sabihin na lang natin dito sa CCJE. Yan. Ito. So, it successfully sent. So, each department lang or specific department lang ang kayang mag-communicate. Diba? But in other departments, it's not possible. Look at this example. Okay. See, it failed. So you can see it failed. Okay. So, hindi successfully yung pag-send ng message. Diba? Yan. Sorry, yan. Yan. See? So, the only example lang nito talaga is each specific department, they communicate to each other. But if you try to communicate to the other department or send a message, it won't be possible. So, that's all. Thank you.